Plating It at Wendy, where I share with you recipes to impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit on that bell icon. You'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. I'm so excited and I wanted to share it with you. We have reached 100,000 subscribers in 2 years. And it's all because you have subscribed, commented, and shared my videos. Your comments have encouraged me to give you my best. Now, let's take a look at our top 10 recipes that you have loved the most. And now let's get started at number 10. These sweet little treats called coconut eyes are a delight on any Christmas platter. For number 9, we've got crispy potato on the outside packed with flavorful ground beef on the inside. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite potato chop recipe. And now at 8, today we're going to be making a popular Goan fish curry, CALDIN, or caldino as the Portuguese call it. And lucky 7 was these creamy shrimp fried turnovers, traditionally called RISSOIS, were brought by the Portuguese to Goa. And 6th on the list, if you're looking for a quick easy meal, this Goan meatball curry is just the one for you. And now getting to our top 5. This is going to be the best Christmas fruit cake you have ever tasted. Just in front at 4, these ribbon sandwiches are a treat for the eyes and are super delicious. And coming in 3rd, this creamy, dreamy, melt in your mouth chocolate fudge is the perfect holiday treat. And at number 2 for you, these chicken patties are flaky and loaded with a creamy chicken filling. And our winner takes it all at number 1. These quick and easy tuna cakes are tender, delicious, and loaded with flavor. And that's a wrap. I want to thank you and I'm so grateful for all your support. I cannot wait to plate up some more delicious dishes with you. Leave me your comments below and let me know the recipes that you would like me to share with you in the new year. Thanks for watching. See you soon.